Hi guys, it's David from voices.com and I'm going to talk to you today about voiceover coaching. What does a voiceover coach offer and why is it important for your voiceover career? There's a whole range of benefits to working with a voiceover coach, such as accent and dialects. You can determine your signature voice and develop your brand. There's microphone technique and breathing. They can help you with vocal health, how to break down and interpret copy. They can give you auditioning feedback, character development. They can also help you with your home studio setup, and you can be a part of their VO community. And it's best to connect with a coach that's still connected and active in the industry. And a referral from someone in your voiceover network is a great place to find a coach. And there's other ways that you can learn too. You can subscribe to a coach's blog. You can listen to their voiceover podcast. You can even subscribe to their YouTube channels and find all the other ways that you can follow them on social media. And remember, coaches have different perspectives and strengths, and they can help you at different stages of your voiceover career. And that's why it's great to study with multiple coaches to develop your skills and stay on top of your voiceover game.